Hello everybody, Edward Kelly here again, 188 Debt Line, answering your bankruptcy questions. We're day 2 of our continuing series. I've done several of these, I'm going to keep doing it, on why the silver lining of the coronavirus pandemic, why this may be the best time to file your Chapter 7 or Chapter 13. Last time we talked about the stimulus, and how this may give you the ability to hire a bankruptcy attorney at a time you wouldn't think you could. Today we're going to talk about how your lowered income or loss of a job may help you qualify to do a Chapter 7 when you wouldn't normally, or give you a much lower payment in a Chapter 13 than you would have had before this crisis. So, it's terrible. You lose your job, your hours are cut, you're forced to work from home and work much less than you were. Not a great thing, but here's the silver lining. Let's say, for example, in Oklahoma, for a family of one, upper 40,000 range is the cutoff to file a Chapter 7 bankruptcy. So maybe you're a little bit over that or hovering at that amount. So this loss of income, to which the U.S. Trustee's Office, who examines filed bankruptcies, are being very sensitive and forgiving about, may have put you under or put you close enough that you can qualify for that 7. If your income is uncertain going forward, there are means within a Chapter 7 filing to take that into account. And again, everyone knows this is no joke, so they're being forgiving with you and taking it seriously. Chapter 13, I've talked about this in other series. Your payment monthly, which you have to make for 5 years, and you normally do a 13 if you make far too much for a 7, is based on what you can pay, not at all on what you owe. So again, if your income has gone down, hours cut, forced to work from home, no end in sight, total uncertainty, this is the time to calculate your disposable income. May be much lower, and thus you'll have a much lower monthly payment for the next 5 years. You take a $200 payment for 60 months, which is 5 years, versus a $100 payment. Maybe you're down to that now. You've just decreased by half what you've got to pay over 5 years. Thousands and thousands of dollars. If your payment's higher, the savings are going to be even more. So, reason number 2 to file now. You've got a window where your income is legitimately down and we don't know what's going to happen. Let's say, well, of course we all hope things are going to get better quickly, but if they do, you've lost that window. You're back to the income where you were, and you may not qualify for that 7. Your payment may be much higher for that Chapter 13. So, reason number 2, the silver lining behind the current pandemic. And we'll have another reason tomorrow in our next video. As always, you can reach me at 188 Debt Line. Email me at edward@wirthlawoffice.com, wirthlawoffice.com, or message me on Facebook at our group, Oklahomans for Debt Relief. Thank you, and see you soon.